Hey guys, it's John with the After Cruiser channel. So we've been out traveling now in Colorado for just about a week, and I wanted to show a quick video of how we prepared to take showers out here, because after a couple of days or 2 or 3 days, and especially if you're hiking a lot, you tend to get kind of grimy. So let me show you what we put together for our showering situation out and about. And we picked up this Wolfwise collapsible shower. It's pretty cheap. I think it was like $39 or something like that. But anyways, we'll put a link for all the items we're showing on the descriptions below, but everything we can pick up from Amazon. So let me show you what all the pieces of our showering situation is. So we bought this black, I guess it's a solar camp shower, but we didn't want to use it for solar camp shower. This little nozzle is puny and it's basically barely drips out. I would hate to take a shower with this thing. Plus you got to hang this thing up in a tree somehow, and 5 gallons of water, pretty darn heavy. Anyway, so we just basically use this, put it in the sun and let the water heat up, and then we put it in this bucket. This is the collapsible bucket sprung up full of warm water. So we just put the little shower nozzle in there, hook it up to 12 volt in the car, run the line this way, and 5 gallons of water is more than enough for one person to take a shower, I think, right babe?
Absolutely.
All right, so here's what the shower head looks like. Basically we picked this up from Amazon. It was, I don't know, 20 something bucks, fairly cheap. And the shower head comes with several attachments. We just chose to put a piece of string through the top of the thing, of the collapsible pop-up thing. And anyway, so there's an on-off switch that turns that little pump inside the bucket on and off, and there's a little switch up here. This turns it off as well, or stops the water flow. And this is like a regulator for how much water comes out. So this is like full blast, and this was, if you want a little less water until you close it. So we basically leave it on all the time, and the pressure's pretty good. It's not quite like a home shower, but much better than one of those bags that barely dribbles some water on your head. So this is pretty cool. And then the way we control it is, just turn it on, get the water on you, turn it off, and conserve the water, or else you'll go through those 5 gallons pretty quick. But for one shower, I'd say 3 gallons of water is pretty good. And with that water out in the sun, water gets nice and warm, and it's you don't want to leave this thing. So it's the best thing other than being at home is this shower right here. So here's how the shower is in action. There's a bucket right there. We put our hot water, and the little filter goes on there, and we snake the shower and everything through the back of the little shower thing, and the on-off switches inside, and that's how it works. Here's a quick demonstration of how much water comes out in the water pressure. Woo, that's nice. So the shower comes with a standard plug, 12 volt, that goes into your cigarette lighter. And this wire is only about 8 to 10 foot max, so which means you got to take a shower right next to your vehicle. Sometimes it's practical, sometimes it's not. In our situation, I wanted to put the bathroom where there was some grass, so when you shower it doesn't get all muddy around your feet. So basically what I did is clipped that 12 volt plug out of there and put one of these waterproof connectors, and on a separate video I connected some of these connectors right to my auxiliary battery, and I'll put a link to that video right here. So this allows me to put my shower anywhere I want, as long as I have enough cable to run it that far. So from the battery, I've got that permanent connection that I made. It's useful for lots of things, powering lights, powering external chargers, and in this situation I'm powering the pump to the shower. Anyway, this is our setup, guys, and I hope you like this video. It's really short, but just to kind of show you what we do to take a shower out in the woods. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments below. I'd like to hear from you, and we'll see you next time.